Welcome back to another Walmart haul. I have some random stuff to share with you guys, of course, like some other fun stuff too towards the end, like makeups. But first up, we got some of these little critters, the multivitamins, and these are the Jurassic World ones. Also picked up a Suave Kids Watermelon Wonder 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I mainly just want this for the shampoo part of it. It's tear free, and this is like $3 for 18 fluid ounces, but I just needed a tear free shampoo. Also, my favorite wipes, the Powder Fresh. I always get the 3-pack, usually no matter what. For Connor, this summer I picked up these little black, they are knit shorts, shrink resistant. They were $8.46, so I picked him up a pair of these, and he can wear an 8, but I got him in a 10-12 just in case of shrinkage and just flowiness. And then I did pick him up another pack of the boxer briefs, and these are just from the Wonder Nation, and you get 7 of these for I think $11, and I picked these up also in the 10, and they got like sharks on them, so it's like a nautical theme pack. And then I just picked up this basic dark gray tee for John. It's like a soft t-shirt, $3.44. You cannot beat that. They had a ton of bright, fun spring colors, summery colors to choose from, but he's not so much into the bright. But I am a fan of this dark gray though, so I picked that up for him. Picked up some, got a 3 Musketeer Nerds, an egg, and then 2 of these Good to Grow juices, and both have dogs on them. So cute. And then some fun in the sun stuff for Connor and Aiden. I picked up this green dinosaur frisbee and 2 of these Splash squirt guns. I got a blue and a green. It's actually the last 2 that they had. They're only like $1 each. And then I also got 2 of these pump blasters, and a blue and green, so they don't argue over colors. And then it's just unfortunate about that, but that's okay. And then I also picked them up each 3 cans of Play-Doh, and I'm just keeping that in the bag. I didn't want to take them out. But I got 2 blues, 2 greens, and 2 yellows. They're 50 cents each at Walmart, just to have some other additional stuff to do. Picked up 1 wax, and I've had this one before. It's really nice. It's a vanilla caramel. This is really good, and $2. And then I got 57 photos printed off. And then I also picked up another photo album because I am running out of space. This holds 208 photos, 4x6 photos, and then it says Blessed on the photo album, which I absolutely adore. And it has like a wood, fake wood kind of grain going on. Very nice photo album. And then in the makeup aisle, I wanted a full size of the HardCandy Glow Spray, and when I done the Get Ready With Me, when I first got the $1 one around Christmas, I didn't like this spray because I didn't shake it. I highly recommend, if you try this and you hate it, make sure you're shaking it so it doesn't spit like the glitz all over your face. But if you shake it, I love it. And it even says right here on this bottle, it says shake well. On the little container that I haven't mentioned anything about shaking. And if you like a dewy or just very luminous kind of glowy skin, definitely recommend this. And I think it is $6 for 2.2 fluid ounces. Oh, I like this, and I like all the sprays now that I've tried from HardCandy. Along the lines of a dewy glowy skin, I've been wanting a new kind of pearlescent kind of primer, and so this one is from Wet n Wild Photo Focus, the dewy one. So I'm excited to try this. It was under $5, and it is 0.84 fluid ounces. And then continuing on, just browsing, I picked up a Rimmel Kate lipstick, which I haven't picked up any Rimmel lipsticks in a long while, but I really love their lipsticks, and I got it in 45. And it's just a nude shade. Very pretty though. I'm really loving the nudes lately. So pick that up. And then to go with the dewy face primer, and I'd watched some videos last night, so a couple of these items, this one and the next one, are like recommendations. Flower Beauty recommendation from Raw Christie, and it's the Light Illusion Flower Beauty Foundation, and it's a luminous makeup nude skin fill foundation, and I got it in the lightest shade. There's 12 shades to choose from in this line, and these are $13, and it has SPF in it, and yeah, I got Shell Low. I think this one's going to be perfect for my skin, and I'm excited to try this. And she says she doesn't really recommend this if you have like oily skin, unless you kind of like that glowy luminous look to your face already, and as the day goes on it gets dewier, she says. So I don't know, I'm into that, so I am excited to try this for glowy skin. And then last but not least, also a recommendation that I seen in a video, is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. Now I got it in berry black, and I love the packaging. And then on top of that, I can't remember who talked about this, but if you like Lash Paradise, they said you would probably really love this one, so I went ahead and picked this up. Then I almost forgot, but from a totally different Walmart haul, separate from this, but I just thought that I would add it in with this haul, and almost forgot the items. I got a 4-pack of washcloths, gray and white. These are like $1. Also, the other day I also picked up a white and teal pack as well. And then I did get another wax that day, and I got a Sensationals Unicorn Cake limited edition. This smells so good even through the package. It smells so yummy. And then I did pick up, I thought I was done picking up the Mermaid Magic nail polishes. This is the 3rd one that I own, and I saw a swatch on this, and it's called Sea Life, and I'm going to insert a picture here of my swatch, and this is absolutely stunning on the nails, perfect for this time of year, and I am loving that shade. It's a minty shade, and it's got gold shimmers in it as well. And then a lot of people were telling me about how awesome the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer is, and I picked this up, and I've already opened it and actually used it, and I love it. I love it so far. So I'm going to be doing some get ready with me videos using like all the stuff that I bought today, and then some of the stuff that I got already too. And then the last thing I have here is from Profusion, and I did look again today, but they didn't have too many new items, so I only have this to share, and this is an eye sparkler in Twinkle, and these are sparkling eye topper with a waterproof eyeshadow pencil stick, and this is absolutely stunning. If you like glitters or glitter toppers, you're definitely going to love this. The lightest one in the shade of these, and I think there was like 3 to choose from. They're $7, and this is amazing. And we're going to do a full review and tutorial using this item here alone. So yes, stay tuned if you're interested in seeing any videos using these makeup products, because they're going to be coming soon. Any other reviews on these products, if you'd like to see them, let me know which ones. I would be happy to do that. We'll do that. So yes, that's the Walmart haul. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links, and stay tuned for more videos.